Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this really awesome, powerful, small speaker by Miatone. This is the Miatone 16-watt total power Bluetooth wireless speaker with Bluetooth 4.2 technology. It is also waterproof, IPX6. It's a small, compact speaker with a really great sound to it and excellent features. Now, I have the black version, but this does come in several different colors, so you can find the color that works best for you. This speaker has lots of great features. I'm going to talk about all those, and then we're going to have some demo so that you can hear this thing in action and kind of see some of those features in action as well. So this speaker, as you can see, very small, about the size, a little bit bigger than a 12-ounce can, and a little bit taller than a 12-ounce can, but not big at all, but yet big on sound. This has two dual drivers. It's a dual driver, 16 watts of sound, and then has two passive radiators, external passive radiators, for really nice bass as well. You've got control buttons here. You've got your power button, which is also your play and pause button. You've got your volume up and volume down button, which also, if you long press, is for previous or next if you're listening to music. You've got your TWS button. Now, what is that? If you have two of these speakers, you can pair them together and then connect your phone to one, and you get true stereo wireless sound. True wireless stereo. So that's pretty cool that you can get two of these, pair them together, and have that stereo wireless sound from these speakers, which is great. And in that setup, you're going to have a combined total of 32 watts of sound, which is really great sound. Then you have your Bluetooth button down here. You can use that to turn Bluetooth off if you're going to use this through auxiliary. Behind this flap down here, you've got your power port to charge this up, and also an auxiliary jack in order to plug into this through auxiliary if you want to use that instead of Bluetooth. As you can see, you've got this nice cord here, and it's like a shoestring cord, so you can hang it, but you can also untie it, tie it around something if you need to. So really great, just a really good looking, rugged speaker, great mesh design, and part of this design is that it is waterproof. It is IPX6 waterproof. That means if you drop it in a puddle, no big deal. You can just rinse it off. If you drop it in the pool, now you can't let it float around in the pool, but if you drop it in the pool, you pull it out, it's going to be fine. It's okay for this to get wet. You can actually rinse this off in your sink, and it is fine because it is waterproof. So that is an excellent feature as well. Another thing I really love about the speaker, has rubber around both sides and slightly raised bezels, little feet, 3 feet on each side, so you can sit, when you sit this down, it's not sitting flat. That passive radiator, because it's slightly lifted with those 3 feet, it allows that passive radiator to still work for sound, and because they're rubber, it's great grip for wherever you're sitting around a pool deck or something, or a patio table, anywhere you put it, it's gonna great grip when you sit it down on its end like that. So really excellent design in that respect as well. And it just sounds great. It's everything you would want in a compact speaker. Great sound, gets pretty darn loud with a 16 watts of power. Really nice, clear, crisp bass. Does have DSP technology built into it to help give you that really excellent sound. The buttons are easy to use, and you can also use this to make calls. It does have a mic built into it, and so you can use it as a speakerphone. If you were using this and you get a phone call, you could answer the call and use this to talk without any issues at all as well. So excellent speaker, excellent features. Let's really quick jump over to a video. Now, I do have to warn you that what you're going to hear is not going to be the same as what you would hear if you were live in person, because you're going to hear this speaker over my camera's built-in microphone. Then I edit this video, and then you're going to be listening to it from YouTube and on your speakers at home. So there's no way, if you're not live, there's no way to truly hear the sound of a speaker, but it will give you an idea of some of the loudness and some of the features. You'll get to see me using some of the buttons to control things. So let's jump over to that video so you can see that.
Are you calling to order a new device today?
No.
All right. In a sentence or two, how can I help you today?
Bluetooth mode. Device paired.
You can see you get really great sound with this. Again, with that Bluetooth 4.2, from a straight shot, you can be very far away, almost up to 100 feet. If it's through a wall or something, then you're going to get about 25 to 33 feet. So easy to connect your phone, even if you're around a pool and you're walking around another area, the phone will stay connected with no issues at all. And what's great is you can use this around a pool. You can take this on a boat. You can take this on a kayak, because you know, even if it gets wet, even if it falls in the water, it's going to be fine. It's still going to work without any issues. You also heard it does have those voice prompts when it's powering on and off, or when you're going into Bluetooth mode. It'll also let you know if the battery is getting close to being depleted. There's a voice prompt that will let you know that the battery is getting low as well. So really an excellent, easy to take with you Bluetooth wireless speaker from Miatone. 16 watts again, dual drivers with dual passive radiators for nice clear bass. Really small compact speaker that has really excellent sound, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions about this product, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. You can share this video with anyone you think might be interested. And that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.